Namaste, my lovely world. I'm sure that you have heard many times the powers hidden in our hands. In some of the previous videos, I also explained them some exercises and some movements that we can do with our hands. And we will continue exploring the possibilities hidden in just in our palms alone. Okay, and today I have a 7-minute exercise that you can do just with your hands. You don't need any equipments, you need not to need any special clothes for that, and you need not to go anywhere. You can do that even in your bed, in your bathroom, or on your sofa while you're watching television, or when you're walking. You can do any time, but with 7 minutes you can feel an enormous difference in your body, because these exercises are intended to support and help you the circulation of blood and all other fluids in your body, as well as awaken and let flow the energy in the entire body. It is amazing but very simple to apply. It would be fantastic if you can try that every single day for 1 week, just 1 week, 7 days continuously, and see the difference, your difference in your health, in your body, and in your mind. You feel, you will notice that. Okay, you try that, and if you find it is helpful to you, please be sure that you help with others as well, because that is how we support the world. Share our knowledge and share what we find is working with us, working for us. So please feel free to share, and let us start. And before we go to that, just look at these images. Okay, this is called cortical homunculus. It represents the importance of various body parts as seen by our brain. It is created based on the neurological map of the areas and proportions of the human brain dedicated to processing motor functions or sensory functions for different parts of the body. So now you may imagine how important our hands are, how much importance our brain is giving to our hands. And remember one of our live yoga practice session? We have looked at the hands as the whole body, 2 legs, 2 hands, and the head, the torso. So this is the front of the body, this is the back of the body, and if you take one, even in one finger, we have the whole body, the legs, the torso, the top of the body. But we will explore that in the future. You will learn a lot. Okay, and if you take one leg, we have the joints. You see the ankle joint here, the ankle joint, knee joint, hip joint, and if you look at if you touch the here, you feel like the spine. So there is a whole lot, and all the internal organs located in here, and we are going to use these hands exercises to awaken and stimulate the internal organs, the joints, and the energy channels. We call nadis in yoga, energy channels, and to awaken the chakras, to stimulate the chakras, the energy centers in the body. Chakras means energy centers in the body. So it's incredible, but simple. And life is very simple, but our mind always needs complicated technique and theories to convince it is effective. That's not true. The true happiness happens in small little things. Okay, let's get into the practice. The first exercise is what we do. We are going to move the fingers very fast, just for 1 minute. So we said a 7 minutes exercise. So this movement, you move, you wide open, you close, and you do that faster. And you want an extra effect to that, and more benefit to that, and you synchronize with your breathing. How you do that? Just for 1 minute, you will notice that all the muscles and veins are all moving, all the joints are moving, and in 1 minute you start to feel the fire in your forearms. Okay, so that is the first movement. 1 minute, do it. So don't do like that. Do it awaken. It is the intention is to awaken the energy. So wide open, close, wide open, close, wide open. So many issues will be resolved. Some people working on the computer long time and getting problem, tensions and pain in the wrist joints. So it helps so many benefits, not only for your palms, not only for your hands, it is for your whole body. It's the whole body is working. Remember, whole body is working. So move that for 1 minute. Number 2, clench your fist and you hit on the palm, the inner body to the organ, stimulate the organ, but do it strongly. Just 30 seconds. You just click here, hit it strongly for 30 seconds. And the same with the other hand, 30 seconds. You do it strong. Okay, as strong as you can. Okay, there is no side effects. You need to worry about that. It is not going to give any damage. So it is very positive effects and there is nothing to lose. You can just experiment. And when you do that, it is all hit in the whole organs and it is awaken the whole organ. Okay, so that is number 2. Okay, number 3 is what you are going to do is you make a fist again and you tap on the back of we said this is a front body and this is the back body. So what we do, we tap on that and it's the whole back, the circulation on the whole back awakens. You know the acupuncture and acupressure and reflexology, all that work on the same theory. Okay, our hands are you can change 30 seconds, then you change to the other side, 30 seconds. Our hands are a remote control of our whole body. And there are a whole lot of buttons, hundreds of buttons in our hands. And number 4, interlaced and you move like that. Okay, and 30 seconds. And if the left little finger was outside, then bring it inside for the next 30 seconds. You move. Remember, they are the hands and legs. Okay, so when we do that, it from the hip joint to the toes, tip of the toes, from the shoulder joint to the tip of the fingertips. Okay, and you awaken that energy and moving the circulation, encouraging the circulation in the extremities. So that is very good exercise. Remember, 30 seconds with one little finger out and then you bring it inside. Number 5, you bring the heels together and you hit strongly onto each other for 1 minute. 1 minute. To doubt you, just do it. It's fantastic to eliminate all the toxins from the body. It is good for elimination. All the toxins and waste products accumulated in the body will be removed. It is very important. If you really need to feel perfectly healthy, we need to continuously on daily basis we have to eliminate the toxins from our body and from our mind, obviously. Number 6 is you bring the edges of your palms together and then you just rub it for another 1 minute. Okay, another 1 minute you rub the palms like that until you feel very heat. It helps your neck, your shoulders, and you feel tremendous relief in your neck and shoulders, and that is good. And the last one is the magical one, is the most powerful, and everyone knows that and everyone has done at least a few times in their life. Okay, that is we call the clapping the hands. So when we are clapping the hands to applaud somebody else, and now we are doing to applaud ourselves. So how you have to do is the fingers meeting each other when you clap, and the palms clapping each other, the heels, the palms, all. So this is how you clap, finger on top of the finger. Okay, and you do it as powerful as you can, as powerful as you can. 1 minute, do not stop, just do it, and 1 minute you do that and you relax. You notice what happens. The sound itself cleansing the aura, the energy field around our body. And the power of that clap, it awakens the whole system. Okay, it is for the whole body. It is for the whole body, the clap. And so the other parts are, all other 6 exercises are like a warming up. And this one is like stimulating the entire body. And these are the 7 steps that you can practice. Try that. practice it, and make it a habit. And let me know once you try this, how much did you enjoy and what did you experience. Wish you good luck, and I see you in the next video. Love you.